Abisa for Makwa Brass said day or Memunsem and then Hokomotri Ebremo. And I know pay me and Mobeka when the agent Bremo Yanwa Kai so be text 1441. Atik Muhammad, a policy analyst PNC. Francis Anodom Prayer, Eastern Regional Secretary NDC.
Deputy.
But for Makwaba. Deputy. Now so last time about now about 1 year about you say who change there.
MPP for no tata Mrs. Samanim Kakra.
Some Yuma. I think I'd say. Me who say who share daily guide MPP pay 30,000 view horror. The cash abomo. So contest election ni cash out me yo. But to be some member catch say only 30,000 do it ya and you better no run campaign.
Well, ni kama mcha etifo ehwa for nyina no pay. Tiki I say you start junior man be ho. Democracy ade bia ka ho asem say, and I think people are exaggerating this adage say oh democracy is expensive no.
You can't there bia.
But I think in Ghana we are beginning to confuse monetization of politics with the fact that democracy is expensive. You see, in fact I wouldn't say a fine line, there is a huge line between those two concepts, you know. But Ghana Hanum, no, we monetize the process and we say, after all, who told you said democracy? Then question I be sound and say, oh, now when I catch you say Kabina Mikabe Amamuno, no border fem. But in yes, here, the fact near says democracy and not Kabina Mikabe Amamuno, no boy ding. As it says, we shall processes our be film and sana. Wait me leader no and I'm opinion no and shadanya easy sir you are some year elections in fact some will be nominations some year elections ni nyina sikasem kakaka unlike autocracy ni dictatorship no and no dey elections be anti and one said onyako no through whatever means obey man penyina and one no that's the difference and that is the meaning of the fact that democracy no boy dey no but interest fasikana called Nafakoto sa to me no. That's not what it means. Bagana that is say I am saying yeah no.
It is scared to me.
To me. And we are obi be complaining say yes say amamu no. Yeah say democracy no ana kabina min kabi amamu no. Na excuse our mode ma on say na enya mo ana mo say no boy den. Which means say me to me hu. I mean say me to me to votes no na me nya to me no. But that's not the point. Specifically with regard to MPPA, you know, I think that deciding some bear or more in them, or more prime minister in them, idea, me my dream on a bit warm because opposition parties are easy, and down problems be never, and then we are not for fraba. Opposition is not easy managing an opposition party.
Heading,
and oh, TK, end up from crack.
Opposition is hell.
Yes. Melamika is hell being in opposition. Because
then don't be in opposition.
Me.
I mean whoever.
Then
don't be in opposition if opposition is hell. And you more be alcohol.
And nothing that sometimes raise the stakes, you know. Say people want to win at all costs. Because all opposition one year. Or party, you know, the future of your party becomes
so also here there is a fire go burn you.
And no Bob then if you have if only option be there and once you back on for
option or cancel option baby.
Option
joining.
Oh, you want me okay.
And it's
in that case
over journey
free hell
heaven. That's all. I simple
in Ghana any party back no because yes there will be some point of be opposition but say see who pay hell there near obi anko join party back there say enya there betray but who change say om there betray a bit no credit anu ye shikakra
sikano 30,000
yes
who be some
any arrangements
need sika om dey be party
but it is discriminatory against fresh entrance and no me problem no anka e peve a universal obia obe contest bia sika obetu ni but we see if you are contesting against a sitting MP
just say MPB wo ho
now
person won contest na won ko prayer
obetua a filing fee no na wa sabetua ade a omo afre
me nya yi kakra you see according to the officer kan omo affix 10,000 general firing fee then wow ye fufra we be contest sitting MP we be tua 20,000 in addition
does it mean
say no development fee
does it mean say obi o that and your own tua sika
own tua
o say it say we go school na say uba form one abeto desk and yes na we dey
oh there be we there
but with the explanation say yes
scenario we there different and media I think say is unfair.
Okay.
We yes ana you don't promote competition. And I think say we yes ana what existing MPs no against probably potentially great candidates.
But so obi kra ka say be yanka ebi mo ha yenya momo nko. Da bia e beto abasa asem ne ba.
And no make no and one we can internal democracy and we have had cause to raise concerns about idea of internal democracy in our parties. We have not grown and we've not built as part of our subcultures, internal democracy to be one of subcultures I ever say building our parties,
Sep do party mundia ye ncheda mfa kabi me nka bi no ncheda nya adwuma ye ba ma mudia ne
pese ye kan ho asem we ne e kosui anka obi wo ha sabi misrem ka etief ehwefo ne MPC bi mfa ncham ba no credit say kan MPC bi wo ha they are this utility to the House of Parliament omum contributory omum number ni omum ya ne say yenko ne nko edidi oye de no bra na wasori akoni fi
ese otie mbisa say bo MPB ombo number betumi abo
oh na ni omu cities under schools ni schools are one it tells you say ebi mo
no ye ombo number
no me mo obi adi ye ba me kan lawyer
by the way MPP minority person
oh generally
we say the emra the it's substantive issues
generally nti obi wo ha ebi onya kono would have been more advisedly used more progressive and more helpful to the cause of Parliament anka o winia but because of some restrictions here on Modiaba and so to development fee who fresh candidate who be says can go fan wine MPC they are entitled to a lot of privileges obetimi aka say omo e kakra wo musemu
interestingly utu started 30,000 we so we yo afi na delegates the other camp omo hotel Francis
to give me that silver match
but you prepared I please come no say
match I for ne atifo nyina na match Eastern region for nyina but Eastern region minimum so what ya NDC ya nchia o Eastern region ya 50-50 no aje so chimpe yes
50-50 no aje so say chimpe
yes
sir Moses Ashanti region so say 50-50
Ashanti region your operation 1 million
oh David but na no metie mo for no back o say na no mo call isa route match na di panel buy no who said that no be 50-50
oh for me target be who I was set yeah say realistic target because Ashanti I think they were making 34% right
30
yeah, but yeah, about 43%.
This is 50-50.
And you know, bet me, MPP in 56.9. And you know, at least bet me, and 56. All things being equal, you put two certain measures in place of which are new executives here by a year. But okay, Yamra MPP for a year so. Let me say. So we share your democracy now Ghana from 1992, especially under this fourth Republican Constitution. Yeah, they operate here to now. Until 2000, about 2004. Now we share especially internal party elections. Now we share sikasa ewum. Me kaipa ye MPP in 2004. A hona monicracy ni ade omo start ye omo MPs no bia na obi eba betuno na sika enipa no eso de call ho ni ade no na papa no am so MP no kro we were Eastern region no you should the word monicracy aye de kum ye democracy no e wo Ghana ha ebinie fine sika aye who opposition I agree with your friends I take say edene because who opposition amasa contribution near dear na edin payes kasem but so who opposition anim se sika ho odene na utimi kase obi a woba uhia about 30,000 ansana watumi afire papers bibia awie ansana wakopenia wo de beye campaign wo de beye posters wo de beye t-shirt wo be wie bibia no na wanhwe ya now keka ko be 5 billion ya chiri for one primary na eno na tike edidi ko corruption a etaiba ewo party politics no mo ebinu no because enipa spend says nyina awie na se wonya tumi no wie a esikanke common fan kakra niema kakra eba na ese se wotumi de kumpuntuduma ekompeso ano so no na ono nso ukurikuri ho ade ayeden atimi de ateneka because sika na osay ye no yeden edoso enti na banesana corruption edidi kom ena sika na nanchen so measures no bi omde aba se ga there are certain constituency in Greater Accra.
You better but just 1 minute per because you need Ura Bitayebo, Executive Director, Christian Health Association of Ghana, our interview to with respect to NHIS non-T. Peter, good morning.
Good morning, India.
Apombo Cordier.
Yami, any about the Roma.
It does, and I find that NHIS crisis explodes. Service providers, including Ghana Health Services, withdraw medicines over 553 million debt. Peter, Asami and Okresa.
Minia said the OT and Sa NHA. A bed was some including Sony. A Juma Yaye, Ama National Health Insurance Authority. A Cachiano, a mile. A deba baku tiama apunchire abapa on say hospital any room medicines and consumables kase we ya adwuma bo so men so ne nkono na ye ntia oka ahinfa na obenyesika akotondro oma omu free no nya supplies afedi omu se ikwe bi omu supply no bi san se obi edinsika akran rubber but the amount bo so men ye ne nsa ontia she say loan the dia your bank equity loan overdraft and no and a day a juma minia untimi and yet financially sustainable untimi and yet a juma or brother be out there can go on a wodi ntiama afochere aba just owo eka ni breminia nanka ye mpedesa and yesa and yet say ni ya any say and na ma hunchire nti say amansa aba ye ho say omuhia ayarisa ye be show the way and send the mom a passe near a true another idea, a picture of Minia, contain her hospital in China, and I say, contain her. What I do with Bra, Nayan Fan Show. Sir, Mrs. Ansua, he say, a true.
Peter, and I say, Sammy Bar Hospital, meaning, sir, my health insurance. You could have a card. In fact, I don't crack out being a bit my say, I really with the men for nephew, Melco. Kanina na yenisika da ja woda baby wa pepara bi ne wa wi ba se seri yenim se card me ba me de sa ahosese na eba de anopai wu kan de me yem fan hye trimu se me a mekuta card no me ba hwe de menya doctor me na hwe me afefi mani ase ahu de aha me ne mu medura dodo de ana wa twura ma me se me nkona me nkoto
sa minia ayeya and say yes try say Ghana ni bia by a hope ni pa bia by a hope ye be hwe no sa na since so agree enya sa na ke pe ho enso ehianti ese se bi owo okani bre sika ni ho adroni bi ni ho ke se wa ye adwuma eyenti o kaboso men nyenu nyensa num nine dem se won se ahinfa na obi ne sika akotondro se die since so Ghana for National Health Insurance Authority and the renew a no. It is stressed if you are hospital. I just say, which means you won't crack. Science, who could do her. Bia, not doctor, no. But I said, the war don't send no demand. The way I send here, the money won't be no new hope.
Peter, so I can say, oh, crack. Can you pay any na you say, oh, quite for Fabisha Wataso? Because what talk about Drew? Yes, sir.
The TNSA, Oba Hospital, a booster over here, a Drew and a Dibia. I just a one auto. In Tinisanti, Oba, I just see Sokaka. And the Yana say, oh, say, in nipa 100 and a beba ayasabi organa. The more 90% of all OPD clients are bearing or having health insurance cards. Intuition said 90% of all our clients are insured. Intuition said, a true say, our public-private partnership now we invest any cash and carry. Cash and carry, Kofi where the Oba show. You try a Moyari emergencies. Upi Ayare, Epia, Obiana Quantia Oba, and ye Sadino, and you the Besho Kamakama. Or Fobi, Nase, or do say, or do ha, a Beshe, near Kisino. Name ordinary conditions, normal conditions, dear. The stress say, oh, ba, she's you, can say, Ubin here, we see Peter,
and he met me at Ranmark. I say, okay. Say, yeah, cash and carry. I just say, acquire hybrid, no. Well, partly health insurance, partly cash and carry. Yes, sir.
Anyway, cash and carry, but we offer a cash and carry with a human face. They are different cash and carry, any cash and carry.
I see.
A public-private partnership arrangement, a special arrangement. Cash and carry time now hospital, Dr. Prime show, particularly 1 year show. But we buy the show. Name and I'm saying, I want you to young Panisa, I want you to I just say, 1 out of the account. Sir, this is so I mean, to say,
Peter, when your first time was asking, we say BSc. Because maybe a buyer, some I can't buanugu hosa, and my health insurance for buyer, so maybe if you could have cancers, had in maybe abro swa your period be a while, and on the enter. Until then, now, Buffy, the ideas uncle baby, because there be a sinny penny be babacan, and your mobile can win answer, sending you to can be boom. And he said, dear, now, but our question may be uncanny, or be sound so. Ye, I won't be. Until the final question may be so.
Aha, I'd say. Abakosem kakra be 1 year ni ebia say ye money we are near the clinics no come health insurance I say yesre the part show the gungo to get yesu yesi enti osha ebia ahuchire kakra go ba bia amansan eni the way na say a opportunity for the whole nation amansan ya say ye ka apomodin a enye ba kofo asodie a national responsibility. I think, sir, this is an opportunity for us to come together, the whole nation. How best can we sustainably finance healthcare in the country? I trust that health insurance, a yarikra. Now, the whole country. We need to depoliticize the debate on finding sustainable solutions to national health financing schemes. If we say yarikra, that's how I know. And your protocol and a hash and your NDC, MPP, and you'll be a national responsibility. It is an opportunity for us to debate and discuss sustainable means of financing healthcare in the country. So I say, we know because we need time to keep your ya. And business you home, and I wish I was it. And upon being here, say, yeah, and to me, and yes, you home, I am just for Tropia. That year, you get me as a boom after one. And next, my share book, not me so. Now I have that for him by a career, but it is said, into me more. Health is wealth. You can only create wealth through health. And to help accommodate and the centerpiece of our national policies, national deliberation. If you say, I agree with that you say, health would be a idea. Then one day, so once me. That's a true, sir.
I see.
It's a national priority.
Just say, you may a name Kuhupa. Peter, Memoir Joahome has said, I'm one of these days, said the Wakano. You become once because one will be a council health insurance. A good. Nay, ye no say a muye. Say a good emu, and said you could be a right until they never do be a dream. And pay, you better was now. Some could that could be basic. Na munyi na mabani ya beka sa asem no kapa anope yedase Yenua Peter Yeboa, Executive Director, Christian Health Association of Ghana, Chad, and you're not trained common. Yenya Chamber of Pharmacy for no so ebibisa wo mo de asi na Peter the boy akasa wie Atik ene ne nua Francis wa ha sei na omo so ebe ka bi wo so ka bi 1441 obetumi Edward Nkyere aba Francis yenye we no kitu bi na ye mra sa asem so na se ye so wo ba fancy kabra
very important
so bi kasa egu a wati ana se oboa eno ne asem a e bi ya no
okay and me bo we to fan am say I can be mamin can be among no say internal democracy no yetimi ye ni CPA and yetimi the ban national but adia say we ko contesting national elections as MPP as a party near the dima enye modeno then why do you bring it internal elections in certain constituencies or Greater Accra mo say wunye ga uncontested but your national constitutional just a baby for certain number of years who every right so which me higher than a contested okay into a ban some sort of discrimination be
affirmative. So discrimination
is strategic and
strategic.
But I don't want
discrimination be why you strategic.
But I don't want to believe, sir. Honorable Safuma for tape be a buyer. No, and I don't want to believe, sir. Anunti and be or more yes to portray so
strategic. No, affirmative action.
Well, and more so, which your concerns is our Mukan was I mean. They lost because the fielded candidates are almost that. Look, let's face it, politics are ye. There is a distinction between theory and reality. Oh, theoretically, you bet me at all kinds of hypotheses. Oh, but more I'm going to contest elections, you know. Me assure every party, even including my party, after every election, we do performance audit. Now, when we say constituency, we had the chance to win. Then they will tell you, say, candidate now, the buy, no. Uncle say. They can't identify with Donya Akunu because of your baby. Mas I won't think now we are MP for Nkran constituency. That makes sense.
Kind of pain, say sometimes some amount of tribalism, sectionalism.
Now want to buy strategic. Well, and I make us say, and no say, Nina yet there are sometimes say at national level, no so. Bibisa a player.
You who can be fast.
So now I may court na me yes na me baby because we internally so which me accept some of these things are
when you rigging.
Oh, massa but ni na kan na emma no omo say constituencies are omo sitting MP so mo ye emma so wonye oba omo ma on contest oba no just so we ye oba nko na be contest. And again, so you ask yourself, and he say, "Oh, I oba betu obema." Now obema the echo contest oba, yes, there be. And no, some ways anopa started seriously. The confusion near the about MPP. I wish them well, but
I wrote a paper on the participation of women in our politics. The focus was on political parties. No credit, the moment can no credit. Ghanaian political parties. We don't have deliberate policies to empower women to take up your kind of decision making.
You should have done she be a de bois I'm almost sweating me a cop or money.
But in this situation, on my cat, your mom 50%.
No, Masa, look, I am filing fee in here. They have to take care of delegates. Say, Intina, what they can media filing fee, no, apart from that development fee, no, Modiabano. Filing fee, no, the answer, your problem. Delegates are kwa kushi sikasem until who wavy you can say
no say any mu wavy delegates so dey no
say no there nobody tells you say kwa who delegates it's not official
me ba obema tua
ayo obema tua kese sim
but lawyer I think say Nyoma is a lesson to all of us.
Okay.
And this mukra na mo sha ase in fact I remember the last time I hear primaries before we went to the 2012 election NDC for Nedikan year omo primaries and omo Nedikan wavy Sa strategy towards empowering more women. Omo no mo share here. I think the MP before they've taken it a notch higher. I say in United Mission, Oko BJP, the ruling party in India. Omo your margin said 40%, and they mean it. E wo mum ranumu. Oko ANC, Article 6 of their constitution tells you that 40% of positions from all levels in party. I say yemma. Hey, was your mum.
It means
this why it made the party no court.
Oh, okay.
But look, party constitutions, there is no such thing as empowering women in our constitutions. And I think the idea, and no dear, it will create ripples, no create. because oba betumi ana me pese me baba ka sisi a mintimi mba bie ma ebe hadwen but yen hwe going forward no e ade ebe boa generally democracy na ana se ebe boa dia yeah I mean there should be a way of appeasing nkrofo a omo not happy with this.
I think say you started the BBR no ebe be generate e can ho say but one one see the Francis health insurance why e first why managing e ni no because somebody a ba na be kan problem be any ho in fact am for correct me kan ya say ade no agu now and ya sora do pie say NHIS crisis explodes in fact nanka was here a representative from Chamber of Pharmacy was say on kasa because the name yana kan no e capture bibia and I want to believe say others no so that
health insurance for me a very laudable a policy and a project yede buy na eboa Ghana ni bia but baby health insurance no ye shas ye no and ne ye me dey unzo papa ne cancer now about 90% of population no subscribers of
so Mumbai hospital no also Mumbai hospital no about 90%
health insurance but at the same time so share there have been a vast nipa Ghana for do not accept health insurance na jiatum say dia eboa because sometimes mitimi wa matching 4 AM na manfo queue health insurance card and due to acceptability na den aba manfo health insurance no atom so problem for me health insurance no ye financing no sikasem no sikasem for now enye sustainable
okay such as say
ni me pa kire ni say sisia no yenhwe sources of income no babia if you the support health insurance no 2.5% VAT levy 2.5% levy and as SNITs contributors 2.5% and premium na premium
amanfo kotua
ya
card na bia ya levy bia that's
ya card na mom no no the premium no mutua for cars no account for only about 5% of health insurance no sika the run no and 5% no kra no omuntua nipa dodo na anya den entua so health insurance na nkasa no ye were registered members and ye were active membership obi who register health insurance no right but it be for 2 years kra na 3 years 4 years no go renew the card no kra da
because if you use some that
exactly and ye were a binum some ye very active members at 10 be or renew or use to the hospital and just say 2.5% rent or more edgy any premium no kwane the run and so cost no total cost na SSA ye de hwe ayare for no the tia hospital no kania de no because number no akosro and over the years I think since 2000 was it 2003 or 2005 health insurance
I think it was 2005
yeah up to date you review loss no engineer yagina and yegusoje and numbers no keep on increasing na economy and nrobo ya na yedin cost of even service providers and cost of providing services near the nyina yeden costro but sikano near yegino babia ejina na ejina entino and again enipa no so subscribe to no majority omo a benefit from health insurance access no entua hwe like the aged above 70 years
nkwada
omo entua hwe enkwara bi enkwara below 18 omo dosun
aged no
aged dosun and enkwara below 18 years. Let's look at the figures so for 2010
so that Francis say the problem is that then you see say minim say omomundu
yankwara below 18 years
no say sika mutua na
from 1 to 17 just omuntua
yes
I think to be could be a minimum
no woman but
babies like
no and babies I take yeah woman say from 1 to and I say yeah, 3 months. We did 3 months. Ultimately, I have insurance. From that 3 months to 17 years. No, I have insurance. What you pay? For the card, 4 cedis. Yes, for the card. What you pay is 4 cedis for a friends and card normal demand. I said that BBIBM and aged no so the same thing. And a pregnant women and ma monyem. And so the same thing, untia, omokradia, 4 cities and ukradia, untia, and maumonium. So all these things are there. And for me, I believe, sir, when munina kahun, now won't mean cancer, sir, uko ye when munina film. A here crass and ka even cry no more. And you know what I think we should do as a nation? We need a holistic approach to this health insurance issue.
And you brought phone work.
Yes, sir.
Holistic, they say.
Sir, review. Na ya hwehwe aniema ni nyinam ni ase adwene se sikasem no
senka ya table sisi ananka ye stakeholders meeting enka de na nka be kasa yenye den na memma article
ya ni enka me suggest se yenye ne se yenyina yenim se health insurance apomudin ho nsam
o say ye prayer mo bi
yeah apomudin ho nsam ehia and I would have wished say levy no say you bet me at least now you're 2.5%. So bet me I no even 3% there, 0.5% account. I'm now you're 3%. I believe so because at the end of the day, what you 2.5%? Service no pewunya. And this yeah the 0.5 count. I'm a 3%. Now a bet me aboa. I'm when you the needed service now. I believe so that would be a me margin and I should be the way. Nanka you bet me asking ya say. With other sources to say communication talk tax buy I see the big or have your friends jidan in your kika near the sanke bet you share honso because I but the question person beside the kakra na yetete no ya na ekoduru ho de and also enko ntem senia ehia but again the omo can say even say contem the problem will still be there because a cost no a cost involved no a cost and tinia eba no entimi and sustaining system na e ho sisi
so adentina authority no enye ntem say ye be cure saadi na ye twen amna kwakudu sa mpempen so ebiem
sometimes because ye wo mra say 2.5% you would see within I think 3 months or so as a sisika no with the health insurance authority as to why yes, as tra a bear would no wagino preco. Says Sika would call one fan call would beko because Ramuno and you Sika as a keep. It shouldn't be part of the consolidated fund. You want to share me and Raquanya says, and so I believe for now, Yanshe, Nessica,
and I think that's I'm rather says, or say, I would the corner one found qua.
Yes, yes. But mandatory funds
now. Faku club and I did not could not court a backlash for the moment from when
I think, sir, friends, it is no going since the importance of such scheming. Until I was just going, oh, Nientia Bibia, Cecilia, you drew Pompensua, you drew a multiplicity of factors. And do the field administration as is here at Tisui, and I'll explain why.
Okay, field administration is
oh, Bibia every one number. Oh, yeah, but look, why?
Politics.
Everything in this country is political. Look, at Adekye, how you came by it is political.
Yeah.
Somebody has to take a decision for the textiles to be produced. Remember, the tax regime, you did 2 textiles, no. Ninyina, and no contribute.
Francis political.
No, because political. But me see, the way I acquire your fast one sana, yet me permit idea for fair.
But at this point, nothing. So what was the old person kind effect in this? I bind end to the near me.
And no, and my match nienti. Mamisha same free financing you. Obien himself, and in fact, the fact say the financing arrangement with NHI, you know, and the NHI is no, and sustainable. Idea, ye ni menye. Because at the initial stages no
saa asem no
yenim dada
say sika asem no ntumi mo
but this is not the first time I slap
yes so ya tena ho saa abesi baby aye we
enu na asem no omo ba aban mu omo hu say look the financing sources no are not very sustainable
obrofo wa ka twa to anopai no last brofo no wa kan sese
mate
ya ka nyina twi nkwa
oh sustainable de minim de ha sika no
sese nya de ye betimi aye amana gina
because say na wakan no sika ye di bua national health insurance scheme no sika ye gi every national health insurance levy no any the premium ye tua and so on says your premium no is about 5% just 5%. National health insurance levy ye kan ho asem 2.5 kan hu ni say any VAT nenam and as national health insurance levy no any VAT no they are taxes are very or regressive taxes. And from your income class, who nyesika, who who income does and does who got to idea is what you have to that. What you say? Enti so who VAT a percentage no cost from 15 to 17. Says I used to be 12.5. Says I'm one manako 15. Says I need now kabuma 17.5. Woman no board, so rate no cost you are DBI friend Lafa effect. As it say. Uma the rate of tax on cost one year. The returns on tax no esobeti. O pese o jisika to no pese onya bebre. Now uma rate no cost one year. Exactly because me go to idea shop owner no. Or the ni nyina ka ho abo no be cost. O be ka say won to bi maybe ananse na nka wo top 5 sisi a wo be top 2. Esa na taxes na wo be anka wo betua no. Esobeti because won top 5 bi wo be top 3 ana 2. Ena obana shop owner no obobo na wo say ade enya de bebo a wo pese okọ we ka twa say wo de minus VAT ni we ni de maminto ma shop price na market price na no the amount at the end of the day onya akunu is evading tax anti tax na wo say wo pese o gi ni bebre no enya de awon sabeka anti say increase levy na wan hwe ya sa la fa effect na be ha the
ya hwe sika na yenya na say de de ni bubu no
exactly yen nyina nim say financing source no sustainable but kakra eba no anka ye NHIA omunsa kasa sika no mu de ye ne so mu ya sa 8 months 7 months anka ndru ho a chanka be 3 months but see me I have a problem with such specialized funds now eco consolidated fund no I have an issue with it
sika ya she that to din say we de ye we enso so ne de kwa ko dru
share consolidated fund mu aban we so de agi sika mbechem gaps no does it's like a bottomless pit. Upa sisa you crash mu ahun omo they are good at spending. Until it doesn't matter sika bia be de mu bia in the next 2 days there's an expenditure waiting somewhere. Omo kan che say because of who NHI ntie betwen ye de be kwa kwaye and that is a problem. Enye NHI nko a G da sika there was a time the communication service tax are here TT the Abwa GD. They are supposed to be receiving 60% of it. Because of indiscriminate expenditures are month in Crofwe AE. Sikanda Banom de Akwe service providers were on the next of G than for. I think said the problem slight kind and Minister of Finance Babontim because of Moody's Canamom. Abraham no crack. He said not even a dime has hit the account.
Sly NHI
Sylvester Mensa and Baji. Babontim because said enya no krese niema Minister of Finance ekan enya no krese because sika na all kan ho asem no once the cry nyem beto mo account mu enti it is because of the cost of Minister of Finance no together with other things mo kra mo ka say mo be one time premium enu de sisi am agya tum say nya de am bitimai but at least anka 2009 you have gone to bed mo ndwin other so apart from the mo betu ye tell me which other source of financing NDC for buy Omudi Abeka National Health Insurance financing sources no. Not even one. Now so every minute we are the lament with us say the financing sources are not sustainable. Edie na Mudi Abeka ho. We so de obeka na more position more alternative ni say. Yembo o man say ade no buru mo so amonka na mo free on obi obetimi aye because for over 7 years ni and I'm getting to 7 years ni. De bia mo nim say problem ni. Edie na mo aye afa ho. And me, my suggestion. So many things are now muntimin to Yahuka. And Papa now, Mr. Peter Yeboah, wouldn't hear interview. He's trying to be politically correct. But the technical is a cash and kindness. Says, go Vienna, go BM. Hybrid. It is proper and real Kofi na ko.
What my dear meeting? There may be sad say anti authority no. Any to me be a say. Obetimi aye bibi se sika no ye mensan kan ya obetimi bi because say elsewhere.
That is
exactly.
Minister of Finance, you can take them to court.
But you can say we mpo na so we metua bende.
But nukra wo mukra ni say. Adino ni oye djuma wo Minister of Finance. Ni oye djuma wo NHI no. Nipa ba ko na yi omo nyina. And the assumption is say omo nyina eso mo beboa na agenda odi abayi ayeyi.
Eye djuma.
Minister of Finance e ho asai. Ukwa ha e ho asai. Now who slide na beso hako if indeed they wanted it to be well.
Enti me so individual na matua. Me feel say a contract between me and
NHI no. Obetima akoko.
Me so me dey because all these months all these years as animal we baba nyina no. Menti so obi aka say me call no me nya health in no me ko siki redress. And one say nyina yetieche ne yeka say oh na say
lawyer debia me ka say Ghana for yeah was suban bia emboa and I think it's about time we built a litigation culture, a very serious litigation culture. Says here obia lawyers bebre a omo be ebi mu nya adwuma o uko US corner bia lawyer bi hye ho because abroad to say near ye somebody could have gone to court and vindicate claims and near cost. Why is it called insurance? Ubetua premium. Now fit do times insurance company which is NHI no. Omun deliver no. Omun sike ni ho. Na Kofi na yesi sisi a I meet papa no. Na no ho kra me mobo. Onim say ye cash and carry. But on person kan sa ama amanfo yam hwehwe o. But say ye PPP. PPP na ne say onni sika. Wontimi nto eduro. Na go hospital. Na doctor catch us say o yare. Oh yare say ne how. Na wontimi nto eduro a so wow hospital a ko en wan ko krasa nkeye nti edro na obeto no enu ni hospital no na sesi a health insurance esan say aban we
because under insurance no me de ne say that me ho che me ntimi mmoa me ho nti na ba be insurance no na be indemnify me na say the risk na be ba no afi be ba na say risk no ba was the one kasa ko na ko
why do I pay insurance in the first place? But I think that it's a general phenomenon in this administration. Energy, basa, health, basa, education, basa, agri, fertilizers.
Then I education, basa.
Oh.
Then
education.
Then I
education I basa.
Then I no basa.
What is the pass rate?
Eba.
What is the pass rate? Oh, and just recently, almost been by say 5 students have topped the whole of West Africa. You see, we are talking about economics.
No, on checking
if you are taking individual observations, now with the best conclusions are, you get it wrong. But for the average, averagely, what is the performance?
Okay.
But what offer back and they say Ghana tops all in West Africa. It's a joke.
Quickly, there be our interview to be a Director General Ghana Health Services with respect to we say now.
Ghana Health Service.
Yeah, if you say you been no senior na ya twetwe ankomo no, but to say no, maybe yakwa kudu no, and ono fu say aban ka ho bi. Because sikari beto mo pe na aban afa na authority no nya e na wanga so aban I mean untimi nka se me no kwa akoko ntokwa. That is where we are. But the question back we bisa ne say sisi emprempren e bi yare a se bi oni sika o de beko e bi betumi kura ewu because of this today na wose ye na nimanimu ha ya se nkonwa bi na wose esi a nye nei a ye ka se na wose ye sade no na fe yen hwe 2 minutes be police force so asem na ba na fe
well me call so but I take as some now can education some now can enye no cre
said nema
no you see or car on the average even if funnel on that basis on the average resource are eba JHS na even now would they compare is the best because would they compare previous ones now got your woman says so far on the average you look at the numbers okay last year Senipa afford
and because
you look at the numbers because every year the numbers keep on increasing and this be 50% of this year. Look at the numbers and then compare to this year, say 50% and 40%. Look at the numbers.
One of these
so you don't take it
even this year resource requirements
exactly.
What be waste. In fact, obi catch me say Argentina ubia or co-invest ya arts. I was say your requirement say chinchina or pass it via mass and sana and that would be a beautiful grace and yet what if you and also maybe who here elsewhere can try was but you said that could be said that can once but quickly
please don't bring this don't bring this issues here who can resource who that antis now sorry now let's not that
we are talking about low performance in education.
Low performance. There is no low performance. Let's look at the records.
Okay. Let's look at but quickly. Dr. Adekye Nsroma, Ghana Health Services Director General. Doc Machen. Doc Machen. Hello, Doc Machen. Dr. Adekye Nsroma, Ghana Health Services Director General. Doc Machen. Apomwe. I don't pay that say your friend no age so you ho pa doc I don't pay the yatene say eye akubinum aka bu matron krata de akwa National Health Health Insurance Authority say baby adu ne de just nipa ko hospital ba just mo ankasa koto mo aduro na no ho abobo na yedi na no pay na doc aye da ne bedu baby ye dui na enya tete enye hu enya ahudwan.
Okay, I mean, the masterpiece. The shower said, "No, I can't not buy a tunro, not the Kogu Hospital, no, the year, Juma. And I buy share, I do maybe a 20 and Tobium, and I'm not preferring that the Zoom. So I am so keen as Sadia, and Mayor Cash and Carry, and will be a far Chelsea. And a cash and carry, and say, who said, Ma, I feel in Cofunti Hospital. And I buy some bedroom, and I see my insurance. Ghana for Moon Church is canker, and for Mum and Friend Insurance. And the insurance on the hospital agreement said. And also, she need panel for you got or show my Nadia, almost cannot bring me. For some years, I make Chiaoka. Now, the test cannot cocoon rule, and first I buy them out free. And then my insurance, and I should say, no. The Sian Bosomian, for the insurance in Chiaka. Now, I get Bosomin 9, Bosominum, Bosomin Sia. The Fed Amamadi, Amoma, no cash rabba say. We are Mamundu you. And they visit their facility to Scotland. So, at the Omoka in Luna in Chia, our insurance at Scotland, so they have facility now for port. So, Amuncha in Runo, Kamai, because they businessmen and they women. It's that they will say, the Siano, at your hard never and their catch insurance, the Sia and Diane said, yeah, they're back share the panel. Now, Munruno, I want to say a private foreign at the back. And also more from private found Runo Bra Hospital. Then our bar near Traman, then our tour. And sometimes the insurance will not be to me at Chiaca. I have to see how we are to the Jumana. I said the friends, the companies each is to the Jamaica, the answer I have to say. That is to me a best option. Near the battle of Ghanaian for Ghana for Badrin, among who's a son at the end. The insurance in a benefit package, 95%. And to card out the quick crash and then one at the back of the book. They anyway, answer. Yeah, the waiting in Aka, the parents, maternal health when they find the family account, the cancer, breast cancer, and with me, I didn't like a counter. I can see. I want to know a man, Chiano adding.
Let's a dog way one who be because yes, I call cash and carry no.
Oh, I can't encourage Janet. They say, oh, Chedia.
And I mean, I say a hybrid. Doc,
when there's a revolving fund now, but all countries say, yeah, the town farm out. It's all back ye wonu na wo ha obetimi ade aye na mom na ye obedia private dia first bank ye na credit as don't some farmer yen enti na ya on kan ye tua opa card no come for receipt come insurance no tia ade ma
o see
that assurance say obetua ka no obetua ka na o se sanka nipa no tata say tia sika ka insurance na omode omo tata ma na ken ho bia I don't know about tata hospital na o hwe nipa no ano so se nka wadwuma ho o de nsa nka wanya onyoma nyina na wo hwe eti Ghana for na say that na se ne ahwe se send e betimi aboa ama hospital yetimi aboya fa ho ban entimi akuo bebre no market men association teachers association women association mona mo ye do bi amode boa mo nko for na be facility because ba ho chire mu attend your say solutions but bottom line is ni nyina echi na o say ahotom eba anu na help for na ehwe say there be abeba ye be cho say ko kolebu ko ha o be timi ayo bi enche no abeka se nyoma ni bi ho I say no yes anu sana anye I say on so o ye part of solution what they are doing the to the biba and to the way near they boamu
na yesa se no de akwakoye de enkopem se omo betua omo ka no na omo betua mo ka ama mo so manya bi akwakotua mo akafo ka no na che se wo ba eduru ni ho ane ye boa wo so boa ho na oto waduru
exactly
doc obi ka se enye ka shenkare na ye mfra na hybrid wo ho
oh the PPP public private
I see doc anope e be dawa sepa na actually e be say di nkomo biem yo it is say your health insurance no aye PPP pre papa preko no ho asma no ya brother ya so ti but it's serious so
me ba na me kan apomodin samsisi abe PPP and the PPP ni say wow your patient no you are part of the equation you are the private person taking care of I mean I think say pempenso yedri ehun because
no but they say bibia PPP o man mo they say electricity will provide 24 man ho na buy am 12
that is the problem
I don't see a public
in fact we're entirely private we're entirely private
24 24
the 24 way more 12 almost 12 and out of let's say 48 hours they give you only 12 hours
about na now the more you be 8 and
you see at the end of the day it becomes entirely private and I don't think
unfortunately everyone has to me police as next week but Francis enti abai ntimi njiga nkase no this thing and say also ade bi wo ho a ye di moja shit make us ade we say and say can't we do that
and I think government is going to do that
when
it's going
yes because so right now say
but abai hu sa agency na
oh abai hu
ni hu sa ye hu mi hu
and I make sure say situation na ye wo mu sisia no fine as I say yetimi hwe animanimu ha ya de eyi fi ho. Then after that, I see a tenacity of mine. Now ye MPP NDC in some film. Now you share moving forward. Moving forward.
But only me agree say or maybe or why sound system we any nada. Say me go hospital say I feel the main court but it will not survive even a minute.
But
because yes Ghana we are very
no but TK and internal make say holistically you share health insurance system you know. Because senior ye health senior ye health insurance no even the developed world no and your health insurance what you say because but yeah your insurance is and sustainable.
You see, health insurance is not the real insurance.
No, you see it to me everywhere. Because young canning in a 2 moment come for us.
When the social intervention be
what does mean sustain?
We say mutual health insurance. Yeah, allied health insurance. Those are private. Those ones you can't call them social intervention packages.
Sana previous administrations here and mutual health insurance. But see, a national health insurance. Ukra card baby nambia ediko. And again, I didn't so ban it.
Obisi men can't say we mpuni nanka one time premium. Can you say Kamujan? Wasn't getting give Johnny.
But he was yes, suggested almost share any money they can't because he can they don't have money. Almost you think the government enjoys the pressure. But the truth is that they have run the kitty dry.
Regina say, more or Regina minimally or say, Confornotico over here, say maternal health and say freer, Regina Aduato, and the do say buy. Francis also was saying 50-50 wasting region. Health insurance in Tibet 70-30. Unfortunately, I can't please us because in same womb papa I take sin no pound Becca. But unfortunately, next week I may add my Becca. Maybe I'm worried because I say many piece of information no be piece. Me say I take me concern they say asemi say can say en can pose for aso mo can so mo can be near dey say police service inquiry be na abam na be I don't know. Adekye Mohammed, a policy analyst, PNC, Francis Anodom, Eastern Regional Secretary, Deputy, NDC. As they say, also a job, but you say no, unless some you might compete. They say, ordinary, you know, see. I was also the room before the mass. You pay him. What's that? Yaduma, you better to a program, so the Munas.
I was talking to the weatherman about today, and now all he could say was no one knows tomorrow. See, we could study history and philosophy and play the sociology, tomorrow's still a mystery. No one knows tomorrow.